Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be doing this little tail as you turn modification. So basically what this is going to be doing is it's going to be taking your blinker light and putting it into your brake light. So as you can see down here, and most of you 5th gen 4RUNNERs with this new light may know that this is your brake light and that it's all LED lights, and then this is your blinker and it's just this crummy little amber light. So the goal is to take all the halogen bulbs away from the vehicle and have all LEDs by the end of it. So right now your reverse light is just this one. So what this is going to do is it's going to make this your brake light and your blinker. So both will go at the same time. This will be your reverse light, and then if you care to do it, it's an option, but I'm going to do it, is this will also be a reverse light. So it's plug and play, and if you don't like it, you just disassemble it, because basically this module plugs into your factory harness. So you don't have to crimp anything with your vehicle. You don't have to splice in anything in your vehicle. This is all in itself. So it's pretty cool. It's only 50 bucks. I'll leave the link down in the description for you guys. And then with a bunch of different light bulbs. Because if you buy it from Diode Dynamics' website, it's like $100 if you choose to do the dual reverse lights as well. But they're basically just charging you for the extra bulbs. So there's a whole variety of different bulbs that you guys can do on Amazon or other websites as well. So, all right, so this is what you get in the box. So this is basically gonna come off right here, and then these two are gonna plug into your vehicle's stock wiring harness. This is just a resistor basically for to negate hyper blinking. And then if you want to use both lights as your blinker light, you're gonna tap into these as well, and it's the green wire, I believe. I'll double check. And that's how it plugs in. It's super, super easy, super simple. It may only take you 10 minutes or so, but it's gonna take me a little while longer because I'm recording and everything and have to set everything up. So let's get right into this. All right, so there's two ways you could do this. You can either take out your whole assembly, which I'm gonna do to make it easier, one, for video purposes, and two, so you guys can see it better. You can install this whole system with just taking out the cover right here. So just get a plastic wedge tool and then just pop out the cover. So now it's off, boom. And then inside this assembly, there's gonna be two 10mm nuts that you have to take out. Get an extension to put them in there, take them out, or if you really want, you can just do it just right here. So that's basically your factory harness. All you have to do is just pop it out, pop the tail as you turn module back into that, and then just replace your upper light bulb. Take your 10mm socket wrench, start working on these. All right, now with those two 10mm nuts unloose, you can just pop out your housing. Just be careful with it, kind of shimmy it up and down. If it's your first time taking out your housing, it's gonna take a while. And then you're gonna see your stock housing down here. There's this little tab. Go ahead and push it in, and then that takes the housing right off. All right, so if you're gonna use the, now what's gonna be kind of an open housing up here, so that was your old blinker. If you're gonna use that and then as an additional reverse bulb, just take the included tap, just go ahead and splice into the green wire, and then once you're spliced into the green wire, take this existing one, go ahead and just set it in there. So now this is basically what your reverse wire was. And by going into that, somehow the way Diode Dynamics made this module, it's now gonna send the signal when you go into reverse for both your reverse light and this new additional one. All right, so now since you have those tapped in, take the Diode Dynamics little tail as you turn module, go ahead and just place it into your factory housing. And then if you're gonna be replacing your reverse bulb, or I'm sorry, your old blinker bulb, go ahead and take it out. There you go. I got these ones on Amazon as well. I'm not sure how good they are gonna be, because after I had bought them, I saw basically now they have LED lights that go into your reverse lights, and they have their own little drivers and everything on them. So I may be upgrading soon, but here this one is. I mean, it's gonna have a lot of output, but so just plug it into your old housing. So now this is basically ready to go back into the vehicle. So basically all this does is just plug into your factory housing. So if you don't want this anymore and you don't like it and you want to go back to stock, all you have to do is just unplug this, put back in your amber bulb, and then you're done, because this is all its own basically wiring harness. So you're bypassing the vehicle straight into this by adding this. So pretty cool, simple little upgrade. All right, now since you have everything back together, go ahead and go back to your vehicle, plug it in to the factory harness. So make sure it's in. That one didn't really snap, but pull on it and make sure it's in there. It's in there. So then put all this wiring back into the housing. Line up your light. And come around back, make sure all that wiring is out of your way, because you don't want to crush any of your new wire. Just kind of feel for it. All right, so now it's all back there, and then just put your light back into place. All right, now that it's in, just make sure you move all the wires around. If you want to drill into your frame to put that resistor onto it, you can. I just made sure that it's not gonna really be around anything. If it makes noise, I'll probably do it, but I don't foresee it doing anything. So just go ahead and put the nuts back on to bring your housing and secure your housing back into place. So then now that's your new reverse light. The passenger side, or whichever side you start on, they're the exact same. So I'll play some before and after clips for you guys in the end of this video, and then also a side-by-side comparison of them. So I hope this video was good for you guys. It's a very quick, simple, easy mod. It's like 50 bucks. I mean, you don't have to do it. It's just something extra to do, and then better output at night, because you get both here and here for your reverse bulbs. So I may tinker with this reverse bulb and get an even brighter one. I mean, I could still see pretty well. I mean, I have 5% tint around the whole vehicle, so nighttime backing up is a little bit of a pain. But other than that, the only two halogen bulbs left are up front, and hopefully we'll put some switchbacks up there pretty soon. So almost mission success with all halogen bulbs being done with this vehicle. So I'm about to change this one out also. I just got done recording for you guys, like comparison from the tail as you turn on that side and then stock on this side. So if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give me a thumbs down. Let me know what I can do to make it better for you guys in future videos. Other than that, y'all have a great day. Thanks. So as you can see, the reverse lights are super bright. So these ones down here, your original ones, I've had those ones from my last Silverado, and those are about 4 years old, and the technology has come a long way since then. And man, these top ones are super bright. I'll put it right here because I don't remember what type of bulb size they are, but I'll put it right here. And I'm thinking about just doing new bottom ones because Philips has a really super bright one. These ones were only like $4 or $5, but man, these top ones are super bright. So it's daylight as well right now, so you could see how freaking bright that's gonna be at nighttime. So, oh yeah, almost forgot. Take your freaking halogen and send it with the rest of them.